Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to teach on platforms. In one of the previous videos we talked about teaching on your personal website and how great that is, and I would still recommend that over anything else because you can really control the experience for your visitors and your students. But sometimes teaching on other platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Tuts Plus and so many others, I will leave the links down in the description below for some of these websites so you can check them out for yourself and see how much money can you make on each of these different platforms, because they do vary depending of the business size, depending of the business structure. Are they a subscription business? Are they pay as you go business? Are they simply product business like Udemy is, for example, where you can purchase different courses and simply be done with it? So basically there are many different benefits that you can take from teaching on these platforms, and the key benefit is you're going to attract potential students from these platforms to your website. All of those businesses don't want you to do that, but all of them are allowing you to put your website into the description of your profile on all of those different websites. So therefore you can really attract students that way. Also, a lot of my students come from Udemy, Skillshare, Tuts Plus and all of those places to my YouTube videos, so they can see my YouTube videos and from there I can take them to my own website. Benefits are massive because, as I said, you can really explore your audience and you can really expand your audience, see who your audience is, where are they coming from which country, how old are they, how long they are watching your videos, so you can understand how long or short your courses should be in the future. So you can really learn a lot from teaching on platforms. As I said, it's free to join, and what's great about it is if you have a piece of content on your own website, for example a free course or a paid course, you can simply upload the same content to all of these different platforms, so you're not missing out on anything. You're simply creating more revenue for yourself by using the content you already created once, and that's really a fantastic way for you to make passive income from your courses by simply putting them onto all of these different platforms. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.